How to stabilize videos in CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can stabilize video in CapCut. So let's dive in. First, open your CapCut app and then open any project over here. I'm going to just show you how. So click the project and then open it, and then just choose the video that you want to stabilize, and then in this menu you have to just slide until you find the stabilize option. If you don't find it, just update your app and you'll be able to find the stabilize option. Here you can see stabilize, click it. And once you do so, you have to just choose the recommended option over here. And once you do so, it's going to just stabilize the video. It's going to crop it a little bit and take a little time to process, but you can still edit your video in the meantime. Click OK. And then once done, click this tick over here. It's going to just stabilize the video for you, and that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.